Glass tile continues to grow in popularity, as well as in the variety of shapes and sizes and patterns that are offered. While the visuals can be breathtaking, there are some additional concerns that should be considered when selecting and installing glass tile. Any glass tile you are considering should meet ANSI A137.2, the American National Standard specification for glass tile. If you can't confirm this, you should probably look for a different product. MAPEI recommends several specific products for setting glass tile, but the most common is a Diesel XP10 mosaic and glass tile. This is a premium, bright white cementitious mortar that can be used with opaque or translucent glass tiles. If you're planning to install your glass tiles in an exterior or submerged application, you'll want to use MAPEI's CareApply, an acrylic latex admixture that enhances the performance of the mortar. This is important because glass tile is much more sensitive to thermal expansion and contraction than ceramic or porcelain tiles are. Always read the installation instructions of your glass tile to confirm the manufacturer's recommendation for setting materials and grout. Some glass tiles require specialty products such as epoxies for certain applications. When you're ready to set your glass tile, consider knocking down the trowel ridges of the mortar with the flat side of your trowel. This keeps the trowel ridges from being visible along the edges of the tile at the base of the grout joint. When selecting grout for your glass tile, there are also several things to consider. You can greatly alter the overall appearance of the glass tile by the grout you select, so you should always assemble a small mock-up to confirm the overall appearance. This also allows you to check that the grout will not scratch the surface of the glass tile. Finally, you may want to consider FlexColor 3D, which is a tinted acrylic grout with clear quartz aggregate that's also translucent. This allows the light to not only travel through the tiles, but also through the grout joint, which can create some incredible visuals. For help selecting the right products for your glass tile installation, please call us at 800-992-6273 or visit our website.